Hi class, my name is Becky Wiederhold and this video is for the Unit 1 discussion post. So the first point is the difference between the strategic planning and the strategic management. Strategic planning is mapping out which direction that the company will go in order to achieve their objectives and also to align with their mission statement. The strategic management takes into account the different steps are needed to make that plan happen. When strategic management and strategic planning are supported by each other, then the company will maintain a coordinated effort to stand by their mission statement. The main reason behind strategic plans failing is that when they're not adequately aligned with the strategic management, then the strategic plan and the steps needed to accomplish the goals of the plan are misaligned. Then the steps need to be reevaluated before the strategic plan will be back on course. According to Richard Randall in the article A Recipe for Effective Strategic Planning, by blending strategic planning and execution into the normal repeating cycle of the business, then the alignment can be preserved over time. This way, if there needs to be updates to the day-to-day operations of the company, then the company can make those changes as the need arises. The primary components of strategic management include scanning the environment, forming the strategy, implementing the strategy, and evaluating the effectiveness of the strategy on the company. Scanning the environment includes both the internal and the external factors that could have an effect on the company. Forming the strategy figures out how the company can create value for their consumers. Implementing the strategy will figure out the best ways to deliver the products or services to the customers and the best ways to ensure the satisfaction with the products and services. Also, evaluating the effectiveness of the strategy can be measured through profits, sales, and customer satisfaction. So the main job of the strategic manager is to make sure that the plans are being executed as designed. They'll have to make sure that the resources are being used, the budgets are meeting the needs of the plan, and that the departments and the individuals within the company are all working towards the same goals. By reviewing the goals often, they can make adjustments in day-to-day work or in the strategic plan to fit with the internal and the external environment. So the last point is why the companies need the strategic planning. The planning phase is important so that the company knows which direction they need to go. It also outlines the goals through the mission statement to better serve the customers. By keeping the strategic planning in mind, the day-to-day decisions can be better influenced by the overall goals of the company. Thank you.